Guys, it's been 1 week and 2 days since our Kickstarter campaign started, and what an amazing turnout so far. 150 backers. We're at almost 85% of our target already, but don't forget we want to overfund, but before we get there, we've got to think about hitting the target. Here's the thank yous for those who have already pledged. Here are the thank yous for those who have already pledged. 3, 2, 1. Jessica, Gamer Mom, Justin, Christopher, Beth, Kirsty, James, Toy, Katie, Garissimos, Niels, Cousin, Jordan, Taste Gamey Games, Jennifer, Mario, Daryl, Calvin, Jennifer, Chris, Cody, Sam, Nancy, Matt, Heather, Tom, Emily, Kerry, Jeremiah, Joshua, Paul, Todd, well, oh my god, it's really cool. Paul, Kathleen, Sarah, oh my god, it's really quick. Peter, Ted, Bradley, Jill, Barbara, Gary, Debbie, Yen, John, Brittany, Ian, Dopac. Oh my god, this is impossible. Loads of people, thank you very much. Honestly, guys, we love you all so much. Thank you for everyone who's pledged, whether I could say your names or not. We love you. Keep pledging, get us over that target.